Our pasta machine is an antique, but it works really well. So you can find similar pasta machines on the market right now. I will put some links in the blog post. First, you screw the clamp onto your counter so that you can turn the crank. Here is a picture of the crank. You can attach the pasta cutter right away, so you have it handy when you're ready to go. There's a dial on the end of the machine that you pull out a little bit, and then you can set the thickness. So we start with thickness number 1 and put the first piece of pasta through. You see there's a lot of semolina flour on the dough, and that is to make it slide through better. You need to fold it in 3s and run it through again. So in between every pass or every second pass, I dust the pasta dough with semolina flour so it doesn't get stuck in those wheels. From now on, you run the pasta dough through the machine, and you adjust the knob on the end smaller and smaller and smaller until you reach the desired thickness. Depending on what pasta you are making, you can set the different setting. Now, to make this a little bit faster, I sped up the video, but this requires a lot of turning, and the piece gets longer and longer and longer. So you don't want to do too much dough at the same time, because otherwise it's hard to handle. You can cut it in half in the middle, but if you start with the right amount, you're good right away. Gets thinner and thinner. I usually do 2 passes per setting, and in between I always dust with semolina flour. So once you have the desired thickness, you can use the pasta cutter. Just move the handle and turn the pasta put the pasta dough into that slot, and you see there's spaghetti coming out. If you use the other one, it's more like linguine. And now you can use the pasta to either cook it right away, dry it, or I often freeze little nests of the spaghetti. Enjoy your pasta!